area, nurseries, churches, do more for schools than anyone else. We cover the whole of Eastern Bartonshire. It ranges between, on average, between 40 and 90 years of age. And, so it's quite a varied group. And some of the stories, I mean, you're going back
Forever.
long time, some of them, you know. He's 90, you know, but he's
Still
without this place, he's on his own.
Yeah.
Without this place, what would he have, you know? And they have a varied trade skill base. We have carpenters, engineers, electricians. I'm a stonemason. So we have different skills, and we can pass some of that on to the other members, you know. And we have guys that are not involved in the construction industry,
Yeah.
so they can pick up some new skills, you know.
At home that maybe they're not
That's
able
it.
to do.
And they've got something, it gives them something fresh to talk about when they go home or whatever, instead of sitting all day watching daytime TV, you know, driving their wives crazy. So if anybody's interested in sort of coming down, we'll give them a tour round and see if they fancy, you know, sort of.
And when is it that you're on?
We're open Monday, Tuesday and Thursday from 10 o'clock till 3. The Wednesdays we keep for the likes of maybe the ladies DIY classes or maybe different things that we get ourselves involved in. Because without this place, some of these guys would have nothing. It's horrible. Only what we are. I mean, we can only do so much. We can't do it all, you know. But we try our best.
But you've got a great space here.
Aye.
It's amazing.